In the Moodle gradebook, grade totals can be calculated with or without ungraded work being factored. Including empty grades calculates grade totals from all possible points, whereas excluding empty grades calculates grade totals from only assignments that have been graded. By including empty grades in the grade total, students would start the semester with an F or 0%, and by excluding empty grades in the grade total, students start the semester with the score of their first graded work. The default is set to exclude empty grades, so be sure you are entering zeros for students who did not turn something in so that the grade total accurately reflects this missing work. If you want the grade total to calculate out of the possible total instead of the graded total, head to Gradebook Setup. From here, select the 3 dots from the Courses Actions column and select Edit Category. Toggle off the Excludes Empty Grades checkbox, then click Save. If you have categories in your gradebook, this will need to be repeated for each category. If you need assistance or further clarification, please contact the Office of Online and Distance Learning.